In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive your payout from Whop. Now, this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. Now, getting paid by Whop. When and how do you get paid? So, after you set up your store page or checkout link, Whop begins tracking your account to make sure everything complies with its terms of services. After that, your payouts can be sent to your connected bank account. Their goal is to pay creators as quickly as possible while ensuring everything is safe and secure. So, why do some payouts require extra review? First thing is compliance with WAP's terms of services. The next thing is risk score. And third thing is transaction patterns. Then, if everything looks good, they will enable withdrawals. And if they spot any issue, they may place a reserve on your account. So, this was how to earn and receive payouts from WAP. As always, thank you for watching.